The Amazon Basics large cat playpen gives cats generous vertical room with 3 sturdy levels so they can climb, perch, and nap instead of feeling cramped on a single floor. Its steel wire frame feels solid in person, with a finish that resists rust and closely spaced bars that help keep curious paws and small kittens safely contained. 2 wide swinging doors make it much easier to reach in for feeding, cleaning, or cuddling, so you are not awkwardly squeezing your arms through narrow openings. The removable plastic base tray catches stray litter and spills and can be lifted out and rinsed quickly, which makes day-to-day cleanup far less of a chore. 4 locking caster wheels let you roll the playpen from room to room and then secure it in place, and the entire unit folds down flatter than expected for storage or travel. Overall, this playpen works well as a roomy, mobile indoor enclosure for cats or kittens who need a secure space to relax or play without feeling boxed in.